The World's Simplest Guide to the Stock Market by Edward W. Ryan. Becoming a shareholder is a straightforward process. Welcome to YourBookSummary.com. Becoming a shareholder. To buy stocks and become a shareholder, the most direct path is to open a brokerage account. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your social security number, birth date, and address. You'll also answer a few basic questions about your financial situation and how much risk you are willing to take. In the United States, the four biggest brokerage firms are Charles Schwab, Fidelity Investments, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Gone are the days when investors received physical stock certificates. Today, once you've opened your brokerage account and purchased stocks, you own them through a system called street name. For example, if you buy Apple stock through Fidelity, Apple doesn't know you personally own the shares. Instead, they recognize Fidelity as the owner and Fidelity manages your portion. Although this might seem a bit risky, cases of fraud are rare. Plus, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC, provides protection of up to $500,000 for investments held in street name. Once you own stock, you gain the right to vote on certain company matters that require shareholder approval. For example, before Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter in 2022, shareholders voted on it. Your brokerage will notify you about any such votes and provide recommendations from the company's board. However, voting as a shareholder is not mandatory, and many individual investors skip this step. While about 90% of large institutional investors vote, only about 1/3 of individual investors do so. By opening a brokerage account, you can easily start investing in stocks and become part of the exciting world of shareholders. I hope you found the information about The World's Simplest Guide to the Stock Market by Edward W. Ryan. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.